hotter. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.
Baby, fisherman, see me in there, man. Fisherman in there. You want a baby in there?
See you later there now.
No, man,
she don't talk to them from them. Take out for the boat. Why you mean she shop?
Blessings, people. So as me I tell the people, anything can happen when they're on the road. They cannot drive a car, they cannot walk, or anything can happen. Because as I can see now, people, a car in the water right now in the sea, right? And this happened because a seizure the man got. He got a seizure and I saw the car hit a next car and him plunge over in the sea. You understand? Which a woman was in the car and thing. And two fishermen have to take out the woman and which they not even know if another person was in the car. Also, but I'm just showing you, you understand? Oh, luckily, she never died. You get me, as people, and the next person up there saw them try get the other person out of the other car. So people, we just have to be careful and put God first anytime we go up on the road. And you will link us so that. Just a quick update and let you know.
Baby, fisherman, see me in there, man. Fisherman in there. You want a baby in there?
See you later there now.
No, man,
she don't talk to them from them. Take out for the boat. Why you mean she shop?
Hotter. What them a go do ya now? Newlink and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. Newlink. Hotter.